Everyone, welcome to our channel. We are discussing about the need question related answer also. That is, no human dwelling and deforestation is the characteristics of national park. What year the Jaldapara sanctuary correct into national park in the year of 2012. Avifauna is the main conservation of Jaldapara National Park. 240. Avifauna is present in the National Park of Jaldapara, West Bengal. Biosphere Reserve number is present in India. 19. What category of IUCN is mentioned of Biosphere Reserve? 6. Where Pena Biosphere Reserve is located at MP, Madhya Pradesh. Kachcha Biosphere Reserve is present at Gujarat. Nanda Devi is present at the state of Uttarakhand. Simlipal Biosphere Reserve is located at Assam. Nokrek Biosphere Reserve is located at Meghalaya. Kanchenjunga Biosphere Reserve is present located at Sikkim. ধন্যবাদ।